Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel and happy new year. So in today's video I will share with you how I make this simple yet delicious coconut rice. So for this recipe I use ginger paste, garlic, onions, salt, water, parsley, shredded coconut, coconut milk, coconut oil, and rice. Start with soaking the shredded coconut in water and set it aside. Add onions and cut parsley. Heat coconut oil over a medium fire and add onions and cook it for about 4 minutes. Add grated garlic. Cook it for an additional 2 minutes while continuing to stir. And add ginger paste. Add rice and mix it with the cooked onions and spices. Allow it to toast for about 3 minutes while continuing to stir. Drain the shredded coconut and add it to the rice. Mix it again and cook the rice and shredded coconut for about 3 minutes. Add coconut milk and water and add salt to taste. Give it a stir and cover the pan with its lid and allow the rice to cook until it's done. And I like to add chopped parsley, but that is totally optional. And there you have it, a delicious and fragrant coconut rice. If you like this video, share it with a friend and don't forget to subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.